一批黎巴嫩青年湧入馬龍尼禮安提約基亞宗主教府前嘅廣場，歡迎教宗到訪貝魯特。教宗熱情咁接受咗呢個歡迎，並以有力同具啟發性嘅信息做回應。
Dear young people, perhaps you regret inheriting a world torn apart by wars and disfigured by social injustice. Yet there is hope, and there is hope within you. You have a gift that many times we adults seem to have lost. You have hope. You have time. You have more time to dream, to plan, and to do good. You are the present, and the future is already taking shape in your hands.
教宗邀請代表呢個國家未來嘅黎巴嫩年輕人，以正義與和平嘅精神工作，將新嘅必要嘅生命氣息帶進呢個國家。
With a generous commitment to justice, plan together for a future of peace and development. Be the source of hope that the country is waiting for.
教宗呼籲年輕人堅定咁抗拒自戀同自私，呢個係建立具有成果人際關係實質嘅絆腳石。
If our ego is at the center of a friendship or loving relationship, it cannot bear fruit. Similarly, it is not true love if we only love temporarily, as long as the feeling lasts. If love has a time limit, it is not truly love.
喺一個充滿力量嘅時刻，教宗帶領會眾做青年和平與行動嘅承諾，以回應每一個嚟到貝魯特廣場向嚟自美國嘅教宗表達敬愛之情嘅充滿信德嘅心靈。